Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki KLX140L. This 4-stroke green sticker electric start dirt bike is perfect for a young teenager or a small inseam person. Really fun to ride all day. 4 strokes, so you don't have to mix the gas and oil. This baby's getting a brand new rear tire. Come by, check it out. Just $24.99. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Make your dirt bike dreams come true. This 2009 KLX140L. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes in stock. The magic button. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.